See, basically, further time has been granted to them, and 5 days has been granted to them. Initially there was 6 days which was granted. Now police custody is granted for another 5 days. That's it.
Anything has been submitted by the accused, or is there any plan to file bail
No, no,
application?
no. We don't have instruction as of now.
After completion of police remand of 6 days, the Kalangut police on Monday produced the accused Suchana Seth before the Panji Children's Court and demanded extension of her police custody for another 8 days. Kalangut police contended that accused Suchana Seth is not cooperating with the investigation and there are many things which are yet to be disclosed by her. Accepting the contention of Kalangut police, the Panji Children's Court has extended the police remand for another 5 days. Means on Saturday, Suchana Seth will again be produced before the Panji Children's Court. The court also inquired about the mental assessment report of accused Suchana Seth. Police informed that the assessment process is still going on and there is one more session scheduled on Monday. And police contended that the process is not over. It is difficult to submit any report. Hence, they should be granted some more time. Accepting the contention, the matter has now been extended for Saturday. That day, Suchana Seth will again be produced before this court. With Chetan Gawas, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.